Hi, welcome to Kiosk Force YouTube channel. Today, let's walk through the PPE Employee System. First, log into the system. If the access code is enabled, on the dashboard, tap the Access Code button, input your access code, and click Confirm. You will be taken to the item dispensing or returning selection page. If the access card is enabled, simply tap your card on the card reader. You will be taken to the item dispensing or returning selection page. To get a new item, tap Get New Item. Input your job code if the admin enables the job ID feature. Tap Continue to proceed to the dispense page. For Kiosk Force machines, if the admin disables the Express Selection feature, you will be taken directly to the dispense page after logging in without needing to tap the Get New Item button. On the dispense page, there are several icons at the top. Tap the gear icon to return to the item dispensing or returning selection page. Tap the keyboard icon. You can choose an item by inputting its code. Tap the third icon. You can see the items arranged in the classic view. Tap the chocolate icon. You can see the items in a chocolate interface. You can select an item in your preferred way. On the item details page, you can see some information about this item, including name, site, vending machine, and organization. Tap the Take the Item button to dispense it. Normally, after a few seconds, the item will be successfully dispensed. Then you can tap I've got the item to go back to the dashboard. If the dispensing fails, then tap I've got a problem, describe the issue, and send a report to the admin. If an error message appears after tapping the Take the Item button, you will be taken back to the item selection page. Please choose another item or contact the admin. First, log into the system. If the access code is enabled, on the dashboard, tap the Access Code button, input your access code, and click Confirm. You will be taken to the item dispensing or returning selection page. If the access card is enabled, simply tap your card on the card reader. After accessing the item dispensing or returning selection page, click Return Item. Then you can see the items currently in use. Select the one you want to return. On the item details page, there are two buttons. If there is an issue with the item, click Require Attention and report it. If everything is fine, click Return, put the item into the designated slot, and click OK. If you encounter any problems during this process, like doors not opening, click I've got a problem and send a report to the admin. On the item dispensing or returning selection page, you can view your transaction histories by tapping the View Transaction History button. If you want to update your access code, tap the Change My Access Code button, input a new code, and tap Change. After that, return to the dashboard and log in again. Thanks for watching. Please follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, welcome to comment.